Hello, I'm Bikramjit Sengupta, and I'm happy to be speaking at Leadvent's 4th annual Offshore Wind Operations and Maintenance Forum, happening on the 11th of March 2025 in the vibrant city of Amsterdam. So in my session, I will be presenting insights from my own research on repurposing traditional offshore oil and gas platforms for offshore wind. So I'll be sharing and discussing innovative approaches, methodologies, and the rationale behind them that can potentially streamline O&M activities for offshore wind, thereby making them leaner, efficient, and of course more cost effective. So I invite you to join me and other industry thinkers in Amsterdam for this exciting event. Let's exchange ideas, share experiences, grow, learn from each other, and let's come together to drive innovation in general in the field of offshore energy. Let's collaborate more. See you there.